The letter C is special because it has two sounds when put at the start of a word, C, ka, and C, sa. Some C words that have the hard C or ka sound are cake, Calgary, Canada, cave, count, cousins, cup, and cat. Here's a fun sentence. My cousins in Calgary, Canada, could not count all of the cats in the cave. Try that 3 times fast. My cousins in Calgary, Canada, could not count all of the cats in the cave. My cousins in Calgary, Canada, could not count all of the cats in the cave. My cousins in Calgary, Canada, could not count all of the cats in the cave. That's the hard C or ka sound. The ka sound is more common and is also the sound used at the beginning of today's grammar star, which is called the compound word. A compound word is made up of 2 words glued together to make one new word. Examples of compound words starting with a C are catfish, cupcake, and countdown. Cats and fish are pretty different, but when you stick the words together, you name a specific kind of fish, a catfish. Cups and cakes are different too, but put them together and you have a delicious food, the cupcake. Now it's time for a countdown to the story. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oops! I almost forgot about the sa sound C nouns. Examples include city, circle, cycle, and cylinder. An adjective that means like a circle is circular. Here's an even fancier adjective, cylindrical. Something shaped like a cylinder is cylindrical. C adjectives that are featured in today's story are careful, cuddly, crazy, cute, clever, and comfortable. Those cats better be careful. That guy is crazy. The verbs will be crave, catch, come, count, and can. In the past, these are craved, caught, came, counted, and could. And remember, if you don't know a word, you can always check your dictionary. Now it's time for a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time for a story. The Crazy Catfish. Near the city of Calgary in Alberta, Canada, there's a very big lake called Chestermere. Just a side note. When you have an H after a C, it sounds like cha, as in cha-cha-cha, cheese, chess, and chimpanzee. Try this. Each chimp is a chess champion. Each chimp is a chess champion. It's hard to say, isn't it? Chestermere also starts with the ch sound. But let's continue the story. In Chestermere Lake near Calgary, Canada, lived many catfish who were all crazy for cupcakes. They craved cupcakes so much that everyone knew that if you put a piece of cupcake on your hook, you could catch a catfish in Chestermere Lake faster than you could count from 10 to ace. Soon people came from everywhere by bicycle, tricycle, and even on unicycles to cleverly catch these crazed catfish. Sadly, these cuddly catfish became uncomfortable as their circle of friends or chums continued to be caught at an alarming rate. Although the catfish tried to be careful and avoid the hooks baited with cupcakes, they just craved cupcakes too much and couldn't stop. They decided to hold a catfish court, and the clever catfish judge ruled that they could now only eat cupcakes that were carefully cooked in caves by close cousins. Unfortunately, all those cousins were too busy counting cats, so the judge told them, "You all should consider making cheese your new choice before there are too few catfish to count." After careful consideration, the catfish gave up on delicious circular cakes in exchange for cheese, which they went crazy for and craved so much that the fisher folk changed from cupcakes to cheddar for bait, and the cycle of caught catfish continued in Chestermere Lake until there was a countdown and only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, the ending is too tragic. I'll cry if I say it. Only one catfish wasn't caught, and that was because she was allergic to cupcakes and cheese. Achoo! Achoo! The end. Let's try again. My cousins in Calgary, Canada, could not count all of the cats in the cave. My cousins in Calgary, Canada, could not count all of the cats in the cave. That's too hard. I think that soft C's are nicest. Even when it seems hard, it's important to keep studying English. And don't forget to subscribe.